This is my science project, and I have two 2-liter bottles of Coke, both equally full. And what I've done is I've drilled holes into both of the top of the caps. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one Mentos and put it in one of the bottles and shake up one of the bottles for 8 seconds, was it? 8 seconds, and see which one releases more Coke out of the 2-liter bottles. So we're gonna go outside, bring the Mentos, and okay, follow me. I'm gonna do the Mentos first. So I'm using this Mentos Kiss Me or whatever it's called. These are the original, not the strawberry, not the flavored. So let's go to the cap here.
Ah, it's raining all down on me! Oh my gosh.
Mom,
I got a shower.
You're like dead, Mom. Oh, this is great.
One.
Okay, we had to take a temporary pause because our cameraman got completely soaked with the Mentos one. So now we're gonna just shake up this one as much as I can, and then go ahead and take the lid off and see. Okay. Clearly not as big of an explosion for that one.
I don't know, it looks pretty close. We won't know till we measure.
It does look pretty close for the bubbles.
Can't tell because of the label. All right, let's. Are you
The label is disguising it, so.
Are you gonna measure inside or outside?
Outside.
All right. One.
Okay, so now I got the ruler and this to take the labels off. And first, we're gonna do the shake one, which is this one. See if I can even get it off. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. Oh, gosh. So, which one do you think won? I think
Mentos.
Yeah, I think the Mentos too, because... Alright, so now you can see that this one exploded and gave out roughly 2.5 inches of Coke out of this 2-liter. Now we're going to go see the Mentos one. And this one looks like a little bit more. That was nice and smooth. And yeah, I think the Mentos one. Here it is. Yeah, the Mentos had 3 inches. So, look at them side by side.
And what was your prediction?
I thought the Mentos would win. So there you go, there's a nice good look. The shake one is still bubbling down, and the Mentos is still bubbling a little bit, but if you look really closely here, you can see the Mentos just sitting on the bottom right there. So, yeah, that's my experiment, and my hypothesis was true. The Mentos did win, and bye.